What's up? Garrett here with Self-Taught Dev. I got a new desk. Check that out. And that's like a little printer shelf. It kind of looks like a server. Maybe I'll get a server and put it there. That'd be dope. But yeah, I got this for like 60 bucks on Craigslist. Got a little nice little glass countertop here. Ignore this thing. This is just so I can put my phone up here and don't have to hold it. There we go. Am I centered? All right, cool. And I'm probably gonna get a lamp. I can't see, holy crap, those lights are bright. They're like 130 volts, so I need to get some new LED lights to replace those, because I feel like 130 volts is pretty high. I feel like LEDs are gonna bring the cost of those lights down right there. But yeah, I'm gonna get a lamp, put it on this side, so it'll balance out the lighting, because it's still not super good. Anyway, this video, I just wanted to talk about the goals for the channel for this year. 2019 self-taught dev. What do I want to do this year? Let's see. Well, first thing, I want to make at least 52 videos, so I want to post at least one a week. Planning on having like 3 in queue. That way, if I go on vacation one week or something like that, I can have it set up to automatically post the video. When I say 3 in queue, I mean 3 ready to post. So this week I'm gonna make 4 videos. So I'll have 1 for next Sunday and then 3 in the queue. Boom. I need video ideas, so if you all have any suggestions, let me know. I still need to make one about the interview questions. That's probably what I'm gonna do right after this one, if I can get the lighting a little better. What else? So 52 videos. I think I wanna make a self-taught dev website. I don't know if it's gonna be like a blog, or if I'm just gonna throw my videos up there, or what. I need to plan that part out more. But I think it'd be cool to have a self-taught dev website that can kind of help teach code, because that's the goal with this channel here. I want to help people learn how to code and get a job in the tech industry if they want to. I'm at my entry-level job, but still want to kind of help people out. What else? I think that's it for now. 52 videos, probably gonna do more than that. 52 is the minimum. Probably 2-3 months into the year, I'm gonna buy a new camera. I know I've been saying that for a while. I'm actually gonna buy a new computer today. Right after we get done with this video, I'm gonna get on my laptop. It's over there still because I need a power strip to plug in multiple things on the walls here. But yeah, I'm gonna hop on my laptop, place the order for the new computer so I can get a new computer, make higher quality videos after I edit them. But I have ADD, forgot what I was talking about before that. Let's see. Yeah, new camera, and about 2 to 3 months in the year, I'm probably gonna try to go up to 2, maybe 3 videos a week. That'd be awesome. If you can see, I'm watching The Office right now. I've never watched the full series of The Office. I've tried 5 times to get into it, but I'm finally into it. I'm on season 6 now, so yeah. Anyway, like I said, if you have any ideas for videos, throw them in the comments below. I'm gonna make one on how my interviews went, one on basically the process I went through, what I used to learn, what my schedule was like when I was learning, what I went through to get a job. And then I'm gonna do HTML tutorials when I get my new computer in. Probably gonna do CSS and JavaScript tutorials too. Just kind of one that'll help benefit you guys if y'all can learn from, and 2, the last phase of learning is teaching other people what you learned. That kind of just helps solidify it in your head. But yeah, I think that's it. So 52 videos starting out, and we will just add to that as the year goes on. I will see you next time. Peace.